Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to crochet this easy headband in Tunisian stitch. I made this headband for my 5-year-old daughter, so you can get the idea of the size. It's approximately 17 to 18 inches long. So let's start it. For this I'm using this 4mm hook and this Wardman yarn I'm using. So first we'll make a slip knot like this. And then we'll make 10 chains. For making the chains, we'll go yarn over the hook and pull. Yarn over the hook and pull. So we'll make 10 chains like this. So now once we made the 10 chains, we'll go into the next chain from our hook. We'll go into this chain, the immediate chain from our hook, and yarn over the hook and we'll pull. Leave that loop on the hook itself. Again we'll go into the next chain and yarn over the hook and pull up a loop. Leave that loop over the hook. Again we'll go into the next chain and yarn over the hook and pull up a loop. Into the next chain, yarn over and pull up a loop. Again yarn over to the chain, yarn over and pull up a loop. We leave all the loops over our hook. So repeat this step all across till the last chain. So total number of loops on our hook must be same as our total number of chains. So we made 10 chains, we have 10 loops. Now yarn over and pull through the first loop only. Now yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Then yarn over and pull through first 2 loops. Again yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. So every time we will be doing yarn over and pulling through the 2 loops. For the first step we pull through only the first loop, then in all the next steps we will be doing through the 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. And then we did our last. Now in the next row we'll go into this vertical strand. You can see this vertical strand. So we'll go into that, yarn over and we'll pull up a loop. So we'll leave that loop over our hook. Again into the next vertical strand, yarn over and pull up a loop. Again yarn over and pull up a loop. We'll continue this till the last. Now we have completed our last loop. Now we must have the 10 loops on our hook. Now we'll do yarn over and pull through the first loop only. Then yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Then again yarn over and pull through the 2 loops only. We'll be doing it like this. Repeat it till the last. Yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. And we are done. So we completed again in the next row we'll go into the vertical strand and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull up. In the same way we'll complete all our rows. So we'll repeat this process till it measures around 17 to 18 inches long. So now here I have completed and it is about 17 inches long. Now we'll join it, take the reverse sides together and with and we'll join it like this. So now you have completed. Cut it and just pull. Now weave in the ends. Now here it is completed, our headband. Now we'll be making a bow for this headband. So for making the bow, it will be done in the same Tunisian stitch. So for this I'll be making a slip knot, and we'll make 13 chains. For this we'll be making 14 chains. So now again in the same way we will go into the first chain from our hook and we'll pull up a loop. Again into the next chain and pull up a loop. Into the next chain and pull up a loop. And leave the loops on the hook only. And repeat the process till the last chain. So now we must have 14 loops, and then yarn over and pull through the first loop, then pull through the 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. And so here we have completed. Now we'll go into the vertical strand. We'll go into the vertical strand and yarn over and pull up a loop. Again yarn over and pull up a loop. Repeat this process till the last, and then again we'll do the same process as we have done for our headband. This is the basic Tunisian stitch, and yarn over and pull through the first loop, then yarn over and pull through the 2 loops, then yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Now repeat it. Now we have completed it. It is approximately, we'll measure it. It is approximately, I think it's 3 inches long. It's approximately 3 inches long. So now we'll again join the 2 sides like this. We'll fold it and join it. So now here I've completed this. Cut it and weave the ends. Secure it tightly. Now turn it inside out and keep the joint in the middle so that it will be hidden, and just take this yarn and somewhere in the between, in the middle, wrap it around the elbow and just pull it to make it a little tight. Just wrap it around 10 to 15 times. And tie it as tight as you can. And this makes our bow, and now we'll attach it. This makes our bow. This completes our bow, and now we'll attach it to our headband. Just pull those strands into the headband and just tie it. And our crochet headband is ready. It's a beautiful and very easy crochet headband for a young girl. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. And for any suggestions or queries, you can write to me in the comment section.